Can I open a bank account after filing Chapter 7? What are the rules? Just filed Chapter 7 bankruptcy and wondering if you can open a new bank account? Good news. Yes, you absolutely can open a bank account after filing, and in most cases, even during the bankruptcy process. There are no legal restrictions preventing you from opening checking or savings accounts. But how banks respond may vary. How do banks treat bankruptcy filers? Some banks may run a credit check or review your check systems report, which flags past overdrafts or account closures. If you've had issues with previous accounts, that could cause a denial. But many banks are still willing to work with you, especially credit unions and institutions with second chance banking programs. Looking for the best options? Post-bankruptcy, consider banks that offer low or no fees, overdraft protection, no minimum balance requirements, rebuilding tools like secured credit cards or credit builder loans. And don't worry, Chapter 7 won't stay on your bankruptcy record forever. With responsible money management, you can rebuild trust with financial institutions over time. Bottom line, yes, you can open a bank account after Chapter 7. Just do your homework, ask the right questions, and look for banks that support financial recovery.